Hi, I'm Stu with TERRO, and today I want to tell you about a really exciting new product. I was in Louisiana at my buddy Scott's house last week picking up my hat, my Louisiana hat, and he said, Stu, I got fire ants. And I was glad to be able to tell him that, you know what, TERRO now can take care of the entire season problem. We've always had TERRO Fire Ant Killer, the mound treatment product, which you sprinkle directly on a fire ant mound and it knocks it out. But to do real fire ant control, you really have to do it for the entire season. And that takes a bait as well as a contact knockout for the mound. Well, we've got it now. TERRO Fire Ant Bait. And it comes in a shaker bag, so it's easy to apply. And with this product, what you'll do is you'll go out at least twice a year. I always put it out early spring. I go out in the morning when the ants are the most active, place it out there. The ants actually find the particles in the lawn, pick it up and take it back down into the colony, feed the queen and knock out those colonies, those fire ant mounds, before they really start to take hold. And then anytime I see a breakthrough mound, might come up in the yard or close to the yard around the outside near my neighbor's house, I'll sprinkle a little TERRO Fire Ant Killer on that, and that'll take care of that. You can also put the product in a lawn spreader. Now we're using my neighbor's here. My neighbor has a battery-powered spreader. Okay, I've never even seen one. Most just have a crank one. But anyway, here's how it works. Look at this. Oh. Little faster application, but the key is the entire lawn. Let the ants do the work for you. They're gonna come get this bait. They're gonna take it back. They're gonna do all the hard lifting on this product. All we have to do is make it available. So remember, mound treatment and bait. TERRO two-step fire ant control all season long.